Dear students, welcome to online live class 8 English version. Again, this is your Kamral sir. Alhamdulillah, I am fine. I hope you are also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, in our previous class, we completed chapter 11, data and information. Now, it is our revision part, you can say. Now, I think it will be best if we revise chapter 9. Chapter 9, this is Theorem of Pythagoras. And today we will discuss actually exercise 9. Now you can see that, dear students, already I have written 3 problems. Problem number 1, 2, 3. They will be exercise 9. By serially you will get problem number 1, 2, 3. Today we will solve these 3 maths. Dear students, remember that geometry is the most important branch of mathematics. It is totally based on logical part. So it will be best if we give the more revise our geometry part. When you will go to the in your higher class, that means class 19 and more than, then geometry it will be more help for you. Clear? So for your better helping hand, now I think it will be best if we take the revision at first geometry. So dear students, we can start. Now problem number 1, look. Problem number 1 in your math books, it will be some mistake you will find. ABC is an equilateral triangle, but in your math book it is written ABC is a right angle triangle. So you have to make some correction. You have to write ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay, now look, AD is the perpendicular on BC. Now prove that AB square plus BC square plus CS square, it will be equal to 4AD square. Now dear students, at first we have solved it. Dear students, suppose it is an equilateral triangle ABC and AD, this is perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. So AD is the perpendicular BC, and we know when two sides are equal, they are perpendicular, it will be bisect for BC. So we can say BD and CD, it will be equal. So at first we can write particular enunciation. In triangle ABC, we can cite let in triangle ABC, AB equal AC equal BC, and AD is the median on BC. Now it is required to prove that this one, AB square plus BC square plus CS square equal 4 into AD square. So this is our main target. We have to prove that this equal 4 AD square. Now dear students, there is not necessary any construction, so directly we can go to our proof part. Now proof. Dear students, look, in triangle ABC, AB equal BC equal CA. CA or AC, same, because this is an equilateral triangle. Here also written. So this one. And look, AD perpendicular on BC. So we can write BD equal CD. So BD and CD will be equal. That means if BD and CD equal, so we can say this BC, it will be twice of BD. So we can say BC equal twice of BD. Now if we square it, so it will be 2BD whole square. That means BC square equal 4BD square by squaring both sides. Clear? Now look, BC square equal the, look dear student, AB and BC both are equal. So we can write AB for replacing BC. So it will be AB square equal 4bd square. Suppose this is our equation number 1. Also ca square we can write 4bd square because ab, bc, ca both are same. So we can say bc square equal 4bd square. So ab square it will be also 4bd square. Okay, now dear students, look, in our triangle, ABD, this is a right angle triangle. So in triangle ABD we can write AB square equal AD square plus BD square. We can write AB square equal AD square plus BD square. Now also AB square minus BD square, also we will be able to write AB square minus BD square equal AD square. Clear, dear students? Okay, now we can say this is our equation number 2. No problem. Now we have to prove that this one equal this. So we can say now AB square plus BC square plus CA square. Dear students, look, AB square, this BC square also we can write AB square. This CA square also we can write AB square. Why? Because they are equilateral triangle, so all sides will be equal. So it will be 3AB square. Now dear students, for AB square we can write AD square plus BD square. So we can write AD square plus BD square. Now if we multiply, it will be 3AD square plus 3BD square. So 3AD square plus 3BD square. But dear students, remember, we have to prove that our answer will be 4AD square. Look, this is 3AD square, but this is 3BD square. So we can say BD square is not necessary to take our part. So we can take another one for 3BD square. So dear students, look, in our previous we know AB square equal 4BD square. Remember, AB square equal 4BD square. That means for 4BD square we will be write AB square, but here 3BD square. So we can write 3AD square plus 4BD square. If we write 4BD square now, and if we write BD square, so no problem. Look, 3BD square, now 4BD square minus BD square. So it will be 3BD square. Why 4BD square? Because then we will be write AB square. Now we can write 3AD square plus, for this one we can write AB square. Now BD square. This BD square. Now dear student, look, AB square minus BD square. This one, AB square minus BD square. Now for replacing it, we can write AD square. So now we will be write 3AD square. For this one we can write AD square. That means 4AD square. So dear students, therefore you can say, therefore AB square plus BC square plus CA square equal 4AD square. So proved. So we can say this is proved. Very simple, dear students. But at first you have to say, change your question. It will be equilateral triangle. But in your math book it is written ABC is a right angle triangle. At first you have to correct. Then now dear students, we can go problem number 2. Two diagonals of the quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at right angle. Dear students, already we know when this quadrilateral will be rhombus or square, then it can be happen, because rhombus and square, their diagonal are intersect at a perpendicular, that means right angle. Now we have to prove that AB square plus CD square, it will be BC square plus AD square. Now at first we have to draw our required equilateral. Now dear student, problem number 2, suppose this is our quadrilateral. Suppose this is our quadrilateral, like a rhombus A, B, C, D. Now these two diagonal, suppose they are intersect at the point O and they are intersect a right angle. So if this is right angle, it will be right angle, it will be right angle, it will be right angle. So here all angles will be right angle. So we can say this is right angle triangle, right angle triangle, right angle triangle. This is also right angle triangle. So dear student, at first write our particular enunciation. Problem number 2. In triangle, in the quadrilateral, ABCD, two diagonals AC and BD intersect at the point O at right angle. It is required to prove that, AB square plus CD square equal BC square plus AD square. Now dear students, we have to prove that AB square plus CD square equal BC square plus AD square. Now dear students, look, there are how many right angle triangles? 4 right angle triangles. So from these 4 right angle triangle, according to the Pythagoras theorem, we can write. So at first write, according to Pythagoras theorem. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, in triangle, suppose AOB, in triangle AOB, we can write AB square equal OA square plus OB square, OA square plus OB square. Now in triangle, suppose our AB square and CD square, suppose CD square, COD, in triangle COD, opposite triangle COD, we can write CD square equal OD square plus OC square. Suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Clear? Now in triangle, suppose BOC, we can write BC square equal OB square plus OC square. And in triangle AOD, we can write AD square, it will be OA square plus OD square. This is our equation number 4. So dear students, according to our Pythagoras theorem, we know hypotenuse square, it will be equal to the square of other two sides, sum of square other two sides. Now according to the Pythagoras theorem, in triangle AOB, for right angle triangle, we can write this. Similarly, for this 4 right angle triangle, we can write this equation 1, 2, 3, 4. Now dear students, we have to prove that AB square plus CD square. Look, AB square, this CD square. So we have to plus equation 1 and 2. Now dear student, we can write now 1 plus 2. Equation 1 and 2, if we add, then it will be AB square plus CD square. Left and left will be plus, and right side will be plus. Now it will be OA square plus OB square plus OD square plus OC square. Clear, dear students? Okay. Suppose it is our equation number 5, and equation 3 plus 4. Now we will get BC square plus AD square equal OB square plus OC square plus OA square plus OD square. Suppose this is our equation number 6. Now dear student, look, equation number 5 their right side and equation number 6 their right side both are equal. Look, OB square OC square, OA square OD square. Their sequence changing, but we can say both are same. So right side of equation 5 and 6 both are same. So from equation 5 and 6, so from 5 and 6 we can write, right side they are equal, so left side they will be also equal. So we can write AB square plus CD square equal BC square plus AD square. So we can say it's proved. Very simple, dear students. Geometry, sometimes you can see it's similar to our algebraic process, because solving equation, clear. At first you have to take your logical part. Here logical part according to the Pythagoras theorem, then we can get some equation. Now by solving this one we can say this our logic, so this and this are equal. Very simple. Now dear students, our last topics, in triangle ABC, angle A is right angle and CD is a median. Now prove that BC square equals CD square plus 3AD square. So at first we have to draw our figure. Dear students, look here, angle A is right angle. So we can say, suppose this is our triangle and this is right angle. So suppose, and which one? Look, CD our median. So we can suppose this is B and this is C, and CD, this is our median. Median, that means this D, it will be midpoint of AB. So AD and BD, it will be same. Now we have to prove that BC square equal CD square plus 3AD square. So now dear students, at first particular enunciation, in triangle ABC, angle A is right angle and CD is a median. It is required to prove that, BC square equal CD square plus 3AD square. So we have to prove that. Now dear students, our proof. Dear student, look, here CD is the median. CD is the median on AB. Therefore, we can say AD equal BD. We can say AD equal BD. Therefore, we can say our AB, it will be twice AD. So this AB, it will be twice AD. Clear, dear students? Now dear students, in triangle, suppose ACD. Look, in triangle ACD, this is a right angle triangle. So for right angle triangle, we can write CD square plus CD square we can write equal AC square plus AD square. Now dear students, here we can write AC square. This AC square, it will be CD square minus AD square. Clear dear students? So now we have to prove that. Look, so dear students, now we can write this one for in triangle our ACD, or this one. Suppose this is our equation 1. Suppose this is our equation 1. Now dear students, again our triangle ABC. This is also a right angle triangle. So now in triangle ABC. Now in triangle ABC, dear student, we can write BC square. BC square, it will be AB square plus AC square. Look, we have to prove, we can write BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. Now dear student, we have to prove that BC square equal CD square plus 3AD square. CD square plus 3AD square. Now dear students, for AB we can write 2AD. We can write 2AD, so it will be 2AD square, and this is our AC square. Now dear students, from this one suppose AC square, it will be CD square minus AD square. Suppose this is our equation number 2. So now we can input our value CD square minus AD square from 1. From our equation number 1, sorry, this is 1. From our equation number 1, we can write for AC square CD square minus AD square. Now look, 2AD square, it will be 4AD square plus CD square minus AD square. Now this is CD square and 4AD, and this one it will be 3AD square. And there, dear student, we can write 4BC square. So we can say this is our proof. Very simple. At first take triangle ACD, then go to the triangle ABC and input the value, then you will get the answer. So we can say this is our proof part. Clear dear students? Very simple. Now your homework, you have to revise Pythagoras theorem. This is your homework. So if we say, we can say your homework problem number 22. In our exercise 9, problem number 22, it is totally indicate the theorem of Pythagoras. So your homework problem number 22, that means you have to solve Pythagoras theorem. So dear students, thank you very much. No more today.